Hey, I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. If you love Asian noodles, you'll love this Kolo Mee recipe. This dish is specially from Sarawak, Malaysia. A delicious mix of springy egg noodles, savory minced meat, and char siu, and toast in a savory sauce that will surely make your taste bud dance. It's easy to make as it requires only a few common ingredients, yet the result is a mouth-watering bowl of noodles that will make you drool. And I will keep this recipe quick and simple today so that you can enjoy it with minimum effort. So let's get started right now. Let's start by making the shallot and garlic oil, which is one of the most important elements in this recipe. Fry the thinly sliced shallots in vegetable oil over low heat. Wait until the bubbles subside, which means that the moisture has gone. Keep it at low heat so that it will not get burned quickly. When it turns golden, remove it from the pan. Now you get the shallot oil and the golden brown fried shallots. Return the strained shallot oil to the pan. And use it to fry the garlic, the chopped garlic. Garlic can burn quickly, so it has to be over low heat and stir it constantly. When the garlic turns color to golden brown, do the same thing as the shallot. Remove it from the oil by passing it through a wire mesh strainer. Now I have the garlic and the garlic shallot oil. The fried garlic and the fried shallots are incredibly flavorful. The shallot and garlic oil is absolutely aromatic, and I'm going to use it to stir fry the minced meat. I'm using pork with some fat in this recipe, but if you want to make it pork free, you can substitute it with chicken breast meat, ground chicken breast meat. Stir fry it over low heat until slightly brown. I want to brown the meat slightly so that it will become more aromatic, more flavorful. That will take about 5 to 6 minutes. The meat is already quite dry. If I cook further, if I stir fry further, it's gonna stick onto the pan, since today I'm not using a non-stick pan. Now let's add the seasoning like soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of salt, some pepper. Mix well, stir fry for another minute, and then remove from heat and set aside. Now let's cook the noodles. It is best to use fresh noodles, but since today I do not have fresh noodles, so I'm going to use the dry noodles, and I will cook it according to the instruction on the packaging. I cooked the noodles for about 3 minutes according to the instruction on the packaging. So now you can see the noodles are all loosened up. Then I will transfer the noodles from the hot water, the boiling water, to a pot of cold water instead. This is a common method used by the local hawkers. The change of temperature from hot to cold and then go back to the hot water will make the noodles become more springy. When the water comes back to a boil again, remove the noodles and it is done. Let's make a sauce for the noodles. Some light soy sauce, some oyster sauce, the garlic shallot oil that we made just now. Now return the cooked noodles to the plate and mix well with all these seasonings. And then put all the ingredients that we have made earlier. The meat, the barbecue pork or char siu. You can omit it if you want to make a pork-free version and use chicken breast meat instead of pork. And some fish balls cut into half. Which is optional. Some vegetables, the fried shallots and fried garlic, chopped spring onion, and finally some sliced chili, red chili to garnish. That's how to make Kolo Mee, or translated as dry mixed noodles. And as I mentioned earlier, I want to make this recipe quick and easy, so I used char siu, which I bought it from the market today. But of course, if you want to make it from scratch, I have the recipe and I have included the link to this recipe in the description below the video. And of course, if you want to get the recipe for the Kolo Mee, I also have included the recipe in the description below the video. And don't forget, tap the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.